Gator Pit, Texas. We are cutting some custom signs. Texas edition and a name for a Gator Pit Nadine 5x10 Lincoln Torchmate plasma table. We have a smoke collector, 3K here. Patina look. We've got another smoke collector starting right now. This motor is fabricating it. That's the firebox. Over here we've got a custom meat slinger for the golf cart kit. Hybrid. It's got the offset firebox. Hopper will go on this side, and our golf cart kit being attached and fabricated right now. Over here we've got deer feeders. Yes, we make deer feeders. And we got some modified gladiators. And we have a backyard classic chef, customized. It's gonna have a stainless steel drop shelf. We've got Popo's pit cut out on it and attached, painted in a metallic silver. Food racks, fire grates, all that being made over here. We did some custom trophies for a gumbo cook-off in Louisiana. Here they are. Pretty cool, man. Pretty cool stuff. That's backwards. But turn around anyway. I'm showing you the backside of that one. And we pulled this one out of the shop. And we're gonna start installing the sinks and everything, gas lines, water system, all that's gonna go in there. It is a badass cooker. Fold down 1/2-inch thick griddles, charcoal grill. We have a meat slinger hybrid here as well. Offset firebox, the meat slinger and the pellet hopper goes there. And that's your water closet, tandem axle, electric brakes. And our rental just came back. It's been gone the past 3 days. This one came back today. Need a barbecue pit to rent for your event? Give us a call. And that's what we got going on in the Gator Pit. Don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button to get notifications of future videos. We do multiple videos weekly showing you what's happening in our Gator Pit shop. Rich Robin, custom barbecue pits. There's my contact information right there. Give us a call. You can order online. We also sell barbecue rubs. We have rubs for every type of food you would ever cook. We have it online. We have barbecue accessories online, gatorpit.net. Order all that online, guys. Our rubs ship next day. It's always in stock. Order right now. It will ship tomorrow. You can order our cookers online as well. You can even add custom features that are the most popular. Those are options on our online shopping cart for our models. Check them out, gatorpit.net. We also offer financing. You can finance our products as low as $500 on any of our products, going up to $25,000. I'm Rich Robin, Gator Pit, Texas Custom Barbecue Pit. See ya.